Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Amazon Alexa. Just click on it here. So or just click on search here, you add here Amazon Alexa. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here, then you come to this is here, click on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.